Good morning, you guys. If it looks like I just woke up, I just woke up. Why am I so tired today? So I thought maybe today we could film a day in the life kind of video. I've been watching a lot of these lately, and I've kind of realized that my life is very different than a lot of other people on YouTube. I have done similar things in the past like this on my vlog channel, but I haven't been as active on there. I kind of just use that for like Vlogmas, Vlogtober. All you have missed so far this morning is I woke up, I let the puppies out to pee, and that is where we are. Like, I literally just woke up. So usually what happens next is, as the puppies are outside to pee, I get their breakfast ready. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. Lately I have been mixing in this with the dog's food. This is omega-3. It's a pretty popular supplement for dogs and cats. It's supposed to help with skin conditions, allergies, kidney function, heart disease, arthritis. Burley has arthritis and Oaks has itchy skin. And then Hotch, I just figure, you know, he could probably benefit from it too. So I just take this on the squirt pump and I squirt it on their food. I'm gonna show you them outside first. Usually I just let them in, but I'm gonna go outside and say hi, so because you guys haven't seen them in so long. Hi, pupperoons. Hi, pupperoons. Hi, Richie. Hi, Mama. This is Girly. Come on, come on, come on. Something else we have to do today is grass cutting day. This grass needs to be cut. So that's something else on our agenda, usually once a week. Breakfast time. Little stinker brought that inside. That's the noisiest ball ever. So Hotch gets fed upstairs in my bedroom. The other two eat downstairs. Here you go, Hoochie. So usually I'll give them time to eat their breakfast. And in that time, I will, if there's mail, check the mail. It's a bit of a walk to the mailbox, but I don't mind it. Then I'm gonna go in and eat my breakfast, and that's pretty much how we start the day every single day. Very calm out. Very calm morning. It's been raining the past couple days, so it's a good thing that I decided to vlog on like a much nicer day, because usually my day consists of being outside a lot, so if it's raining, it's not very true of a day in my life kind of thing. But we have a lot to do today, so we gotta get going, make some breakfast. Hi, puppies. Quite often I'll have a much better breakfast than this, but because I really need to go grocery shopping, which we're gonna do later, it's cereal today. I absolutely love oat milk. The next step to our day is to exercise the pooperoons. I have a very excited doggo. Oaks doesn't get the exercise he needs from just a walk. Like, he needs to run, run, run. So we come out here to this side field. This is just beside the house. And he will run. Hey? Ready to show him?
Got a face that looks like mine. From your eyes to your smile.
Usually you can tell he's tired when he starts to slow down and sit. The sit is usually the, Mom, I'm freaking tired now. The FedEx guy came while I was walking Oaks, so he seemed a little scared of dogs, so I was like, you could just leave it right there. Just left it right here. Next up, I will walk the other two. Girly, come here, Mama, good girl. Watch, come on, come on, come on, sweetie, come on. Come here. Come here. Good boy. So like I said, these two walk and they get tired really easily, whereas Oaks isn't even half done. So you'll see that Oaks usually frisbees every day, and then we go swimming later, and that's his exercise. Then these two they just need a small walk, because, yeah, I don't know, especially in the summer, they get tired super quickly. Okay, are we all pooped, Gervs? Hachioki? Everybody pooped now? I'm pooped. Oki's looking for his frisbees. Come on. Come. Come. Let's go inside. Good job. Good listening, Hotch. Good job. Okay, once the morning routine. That's pretty much every single morning. That doesn't change really no matter what. It's time to get ready. Start off by using this baby. This is Ocean Salt by Lush. Definitely am on the lookout for a softer exfoliator. I used to use this one by Aveeno. It was so great. They used coconut pulp and it was just so good, and they discontinued it. But recently Aveeno sent me a bunch of their stuff. So I'm gonna try out those exfoliators. I just really liked their exfoliators. Okay, I have 2 toners that I like. My skin is like not doing very good. I will use the Pixie Glow Tonic. It has glycolic acid in it. So if I have kind of like, you know, more acne prone skin, I'll try this one out. And this one's personalized with my name on it. My skin is doing fine, then I'll just use this. This has a French label on it, excuse that. This is called Breath of Fresh Air and it's by Lush. So I just put it on my hand. My 2 favorite moisturizers are Celestial, also by Lush, Skin Drink, also by Lush. If you have really dry skin, you want to use Skin Drink. If you don't, but you still need moisture, you want to use Celestial. I also do an eye cream. I have this It Cosmetics anti-aging one, or I have this Clinique Pep Start. Here's what they look like. I don't know which one I prefer. I don't know if eye creams work. I'm not gonna go through my whole makeup step routine thing with you guys because I feel like I do that every time I vlog, but I'm gonna try a new primer today. Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. So 8 hours of makeup wear, ultra lightweight. Looks like this. Oh, this is like, okay. This is much thicker. Like, this still feels hydrating, but it's much thicker. Who knows? This could be a nice primer. Sometimes I feel strange because I think like, oh, I'm supposed to be an influencer and influencers are supposed to go to events and influencers are supposed to be super social, and sometimes that like, I don't know, it like makes me feel bad or guilty because I get invited to a lot of events and the main reason that I don't go is because I've moved so far away. So like I said, like I've been enjoying watching day in the life videos, and I think for a minute there I kind of felt like, oh, you know, what am I doing? Like, I'm not going to any of these events. I had this like kind of little pep talk with myself. You don't like to watch just people doing the same repetitive thing and going to, like, I don't really like watching vlogs where, you know, people are going partying or something like that. Like, it's very unrelatable, and I don't know, it's just not something that I would click on. So why create content that you wouldn't watch? Anyways, I talked myself out of that. I was like, it's fine. And then that's why I decided to film this like day in a life with me, because what I'm showing you, this is my everyday life. It's okay to be boring, but I love my life and I love the dogs and I love that I spend so much time with them. Here is my makeup. Just a simple eye, simple lip, ready to go. So it's time to film now. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm gonna film a thrift haul. This is typically when I will start my day and start getting into filming and things like that. Checking off all the things I have to do for work. I've been kind of replying to emails all day, but yeah, so time to film a video. But I found this and I was like, well, I obviously have to get that. I'm so excited about it because it looks really nice on the dresser that I'm trying to currently style in my bedroom. I forgot to take the thumbnail. Then I met Hooch and Hooch met me, and all the rest is history and epiphany that all we need is us. It's like 1, 2, 3, hot, just the cutest as can be. I feel like there's always the struggle of finding the right things to hold. I forgot to press the button. Ugh. Okay, I think we got it. So here's the deal. I just skipped some very less glamorous parts of owning 3 dogs, which was picking up 3 dogs worth of poop. Now I have to go and cut the grass. And there's a lot of grass that needs to be cut, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Okay, so this is the garage. Turn the lights on. Here's the tractor, so I'm just gonna open the garage door. Okay, so that yard behind us is cut. That is the dog yard. Now I have to cut the side yard. Then once we're done that, we have to go to the front yard and cut the front yard. So my stupid idiot self didn't realize how wet it was over here, and I got the tractor stuck. So we are going to take this chain, and use the Jeep and pull it out. Got it out. Finished cutting the grass. Here's my reward. Let's go show the puppies their freshly cut lawn. What do you think, Curbs? Is it nice? Is it nice? We are walking down to the beach now. I have all of the poopers. Oki's already beat us down there. Ready? Ready? Good boy. Good boy. Are you swimming? Good girl.
How do I tread these waters? Sinking faster still. My mind's in constant wonder. Keeps sliding downhill. And I wanna get out, but I don't know how to plant my feet on solid ground. And I can't pretend after all this time.
The other day, Jordan and I built this little section. So there's this huge tree here. And if you guys didn't know I lived on a beach, you now know I live on a beach. So we cut some of like the tree branches out so you could kind of like hang out in here. You can hang your towels. And then we pulled these out of just like in there and on the beach, and we just thought this would be a cute little like sitting area. Yeah, it's kind of what we did. This used to be like all really deep and we just filled it in with rocks. What I think it really is cool about living on a private beach is just like being able to have my dog swim, because I know so many beaches now you can't have dogs off leash at, which is ridiculous, but living on a beach is nice, yeah, for that sake that this is ours and we can do whatever we want with it and no one's ever here to say no. No take, just throw. Hey mama, you having fun? You having fun? So I think once everybody's done swimming, we should go to the grocery store. Typically I do that once a week because I live a little bit further out. I like to just do it once a week so I don't have to do a lot of driving. I also have some orders to drop off from the store just to send out, so we're gonna do that as well. You got a wet belly. You got a wet belly, mama. This lighting is so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go get dog food and go grocery shopping, but I'm gonna take the top off the Jeep because it's so nice out and I haven't really done that much this summer so far. So we start by taking off the windows. You just open up those latches. And there we go. I don't think I've ever sweat this much, like wearing a full face of makeup.
She packed up her Chanel, said go to hell, taught me a lesson. And now as far as she's concerned, I'm in a deep and dark depression. But it's happy hour, drinking double shooters, and my heart's breaking.
One of my favorite things to do in the summer is barbecue corn, so we're gonna get some of this. Also gonna get a few peaches because, I mean, can never have enough peaches. Some grapes. Let's get a little pre-packaged salad thing. Because it's just me, I just find that I waste less if I just kind of get like a a pre-packaged one. Peas to snack on, and some veggie dogs. I'm gonna get some tofu. This is extra firm, that's the one I get. I have cheese at home, so we could do like a tofu scramble. Should I get some ice cream? Should I do it? I feel like I really want ice cream. This is my favorite. Cashew creamy chocolate. Sea salt chickpeas. I bet you those would be really good. They also have chili lime. Yeah, I'm a mess. I'm just like, I've been sweating. At this point, I'm just like dead. But anyways, I thought since getting PR packages kind of something that I get quite a bit, that I'd show you the one we got today. So Pixie by Petra, glow in a box. I'm freaking out because it says glow. Oh my gosh, glowy duo highlighter. These are both highlighters. These look so stunning. Liquid fairy lights. These are an ultra sparkling liquid eyeshadow with 3D effect, which you can wear by itself or any eye look. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not even in focus. Sorry. Okay, so there it is. It's extremely glittery. Like the glitter particles are very much there, but I think that that's freaking amazing. I'm so excited about this. I really like Pixie makeup. So we're gonna swatch this one. What? What? Are you seeing this? What? I'm dead. You know what? It is so nice to be excited about makeup. Sometimes I think I'm just over it, and then other times I see stuff like that and I'm like, oh, yes. Okay, so I'm just making some food and then I'm gonna go hop in bed, watch The Ranch on Netflix. That's it. That's the Tasha day. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I had such a blast. Can you see Hotch up there eating? Thank you for hanging out. I love you so much. Don't want to say bye, but bye.